Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Dodge Journey Crossroads all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in pitch black. It looks great. You do have the black grille up front with those projector-style lights. They look great. You also have your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here, we do have 19-inch rims with our Como brand tires. They look fantastic. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got that Crossroad badging, the Dodge and the Journey all-wheel drive, as well as your parking sensors down there, and your backup camera right under there. Open it up just like this. Looks great back here. Quite a bit of room. You can open this guy up, and you got extra storage just underneath there, as well as an emergency flashlight. And then you can fold these forward, just pulling that guy, folding it down just like that. Then you do have extra room. You can do the same with the other side, and you can fold the front seats down as well. You can pull it back up and fold it, and it looks just like that. We have our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold. Now it does also have proximity keyless entry, so if the key is on your person and it is locked, just gotta put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. Plus you got the button there. Now on the door here, you do have that chrome accenting on your handle. You have some electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Handle here and some storage just down there. Now up here, it looks fantastic in here. Very comfortable. The leather seats are very nice. You do also have the controls over your lights here. So your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control is right here, and you press in for your fog lights. Up here, you do have controls over your turning signals, windshield wipers, and your high beams. And then you do have the seat control just down here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. It is a push to start, so foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. In the center there, we also have our vehicle speed, which looks great, and you do have how many kilometers we have. Now we can switch that around to our fuel economy, our trip info, we got our tire KPA, we have our vehicle info, messages, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. And around the back of the steering wheel, you do have volume up and down, as well as the source changer in the center. Now right in the center, you do have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Looks great. You got your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all there. You have your media player if you have one hooked up through your disc, USB, SD card, your aux cords, or your Bluetooth. You also have control over your heated seat and heated steering wheel, as well as your outlet and your screen off. You got your climate control right here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Navigation right here. If you hit view map, you can see that we are on Rec Place, of course. And then right over here, we do have our phone options if we have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and our more for our rear entertainment and our settings. Down here, we do have our hazard lights, AC, our circulation, front and rear defrost, and our traction control. Volume up and down with the power. You got your heat and cold here. You also have your power, your off, your auto, and then your tuner right there. You got your SD card as well as a CD or DVD player. Then you have some storage here and some cup holders. You do also have your gear shift, and when you are in reverse, you got the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Now right in the center, you have your armrest. That doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there. You also got a USB and an aux cord plug-in. And then right over here, we do have our locking glove box. Looks great. You do have your owner's manual there. And then up top, you have your control over your sunroof. You have your sunglass holder, and there is our sunroof looking great. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Open up. On the door here, you do have that same chrome accenting on the handle. Control over your windows, handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great in here. It does seat 7 people all together. Very comfortable seats. You can fold this guy down right here, and then you do have an armrest with some cup holders. You also have this nice 9-inch screen right here, playing movies and whatnot, keeping people entertained. You got the climate control back here. You also have an AV plug-in right there. And then down here, you can fold this guy up, and you do have some storage just underneath there. You can fold this seat down like that, and then you do have the access to back there. Looks great, 2 more seats, and they do have cup holders and whatnot back there as well. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around view of the 2016 Dodge Journey Crossroad. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, go on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.